Okay, boys and girls, the book we're going to read at this time is called Aliens Get the Sniffles Too. Oh, look at this poor little alien. He's saying, achoo, and he blew his space alien dog away. Sniffles means sick, okay, with a cold, and I think this is what this poor little alien has. He has a cold. So let's read to find out what happens in this story. Here's the title page. Let's read the title again together. Ready? Aliens Get the Sniffles Too. Achoo! It was written by Katie S. Duffield, who is the author of the book, who wrote all the words, including the title. And it was illustrated by K.G. Campbell, who drew all these nifty pictures. So turning the page, oh, he looks like how I feel when I don't feel well. Kind of lousy. Look at that expression on his face. I love how the illustrator drew these pictures. It says, little alien was sick. Oh, I could tell that picture is certainly showing me that he feels sick. And sick is extraterrestrial bad. When you have 2 throats, 5 ears, and 3 noses. Oh my goodness, he really is an alien. Look at the dog. The dog has 3 eyes and extra legs. Flying saucer, chew. Take me to your leader, chew. 3, 2, 1, blast off, chew. Poor thing can't even say a simple thing without sneezing. All this must be his alien daddy, his alien mommy, checking on him. It says, my throats are scratchy, said little alien. I've got an idea. I've got an idea, said Daddy Alien. He hopped into his spaceship and zoomed away. So, Daddy Alien is traveling somewhere that's kind of like his car, where Mommy Alien is taking care of the little one. Well, look at that, Mama Alien cried when he returned. It's a Milky Way milkshake. Aw, Daddy Alien brought him something yummy to eat. Mars rover barked. He licked the drip that ran down little alien's chin. So this dog is called Mars rover. And look, he's licking that little drip that he saw. It must be yummy. My ears hurt too, said little alien. So his throat aches, his ear hurts. Oh, I felt like that too when you're sick. It says, so Mama Alien scooped a little dipper full of water and added a pinch of stardust. Granny Alien's famous shooting star ear drops, said Daddy Alien. That'll put a twinkle in those ears. So they're adding the solution into his ear like medicine to help him feel better. But Mars rover whine. That's him whining. Now my noses are stuffed up, said little alien. Call in the lunar decongestants, Daddy Alien cried. Splatch, splutter, spurt. It was not a pretty sight. Oh my goodness. They're trying to decongest him, help him to feel better. Mars rover growled. Those guys gave him the cosmic creeps. Mars rover was little alien's best friend. And seeing little alien so sick was worse than forgetting where he'd buried his bone. I can tell he's a sweet dog. He cares that his friend is not feeling well. I'm hot and my head hurts, said little alien. So Mama Alien put him under a cool meteor shower. Then Daddy Alien fluffed little alien's space cloud pillow and tucked him under his sparkling blanket of stars. But just when it looked like little alien might doze off at last, moon orbiter, choo! Oh, he's still sneezing. Which nose did that come from? Mama Alien cried. Because remember, he has 3 noses. Mrs. Rover couldn't stand it any longer. Mars Rover couldn't stand it any longer. He had to do something to make little Alien feel better. So he began to put on a show. Oh, look at him balancing that on his nose, hula hooping around that volcano. Look at him being silly and dancing. A magic trick where he says, ta-da! Little Alien watched. The corner of his mouth curved upward. Oh, that means he's about to smile. Look at him. He's quite a talented dog. And look at little Alien. He looks like he might be feeling better, it says. Hurrah! Little Alien had smiled. Now Mars Rover juggled Saturn's rings using 6 of his feet and only 2 of his tails. 2 of his tails? Oh my goodness, he does have 2 tails. Then he tossed a ring onto each of little Alien's 5 ears. A small giggle escaped little Alien's lips. Look at those ears. That is crazy. Boing, boing, boing. What is happening here? For his final trick, Mars Rover soared high, high into the night sky. He clipped a cord onto his asteroid belt and leaped from the glimmering crescent moon. Oh, he leaped off like a bungee cord. Oh, he really is talented. In 3 twinkles of the brightest star, little Alien had a Jupiter-sized smile that stretched from one nose to the other. But then, flying saucer, woof! Oh no! Look, little Alien is feeling better, but guess who's sick? Mars Rover. Call in the lunar decongestants, cried little Alien. Here they come. Poor thing. The end. I love how in this story, where little Alien isn't feeling sick, he is taken care of by such loving parents and his sweet dog. Great book.